Alright everybody, we got a little gem in the mail today. What should be in here is a sport bike track gear privateer race suit. It's one of the suits that
Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com.
exclusively sells, and it's cheap as fuck, and I'm trying to go to the track. So let's see what they sent. Make sure you're careful when opening things with sharp edges, by the way, guys. Right off the bat, we got the most important part. A little shipping label. Some really weird styrofoam. Cardboard? Yeah, fucking cardboard. Oof. And the jacket. Alright, so right off the bat, it's a little dirty, a little dusty, but the bag wasn't over it the whole way. But let's see what's under the bag. Motonation Privateer one-piece race suit. So I mean, it's a leather race suit. It's got lots of perforation in it. It's got padding in the elbows. It's got this TPU outside on the shoulder, and then underneath it also has some CE armor. Same thing for both sides. And these have some sliders. They also have CE armor under here. And then the hips have some padding that is not CE rated. And there's a foam back protector that comes in here stock. But we're going to be putting this ProLite K force field back protector in because, you know, your spine's important. It's got this nice little thing to write your name and blood type, so when you go splat, they know what to do with you. And it's got a pocket. Not sure why you need a pocket in a race suit, but you got one. And a little warning label that says don't use fucking chemicals you can't have in California. Fucking California. Well, this is a pretty shitty hanger. Let's try and put this in here, and then I guess I'm gonna try on the suit. Squeeze into some leather. Yeah, fuck is that gonna do for you in a crash? This'll do something though. So I buy back protectors for all of my jackets. This by far was one of the easiest installations. I normally feel like I'm gonna rip the pocket when I have to put in a level 2 protector. Got me a little hump in the back. Got a lot of stretch panels around the shoulder area, near your butt, and some near the knees. That way when you're in a tuck, you know there's some move to the suit. And it's got a little butthole protector too. Look at that. Zippers. I guess that makes putting the boots on a lot easier. Got some on the wrists too. And there's a nice little mesh liner in here. That should help with taking the suit on and off and getting some air flowing, but don't try and put that shit on over your skin. You need some type of underlayer because you'll never get this thing off once you're sweaty. Alright, so I'm gonna try this bad boy on.